bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
What's up? Hello. Hi. How's everyone doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's up, everyone? Let's get going for another W day, shall we? You guys like the new screen? New profile pic, new everything? Oh, I forgot to change it on Twitch. GG. Update profile pic. Upload. It's not here. Cool beans. Right here. Right here. Bang. Bop. Alright. Why are they doing this to me? Alright, whatever. I'll do that later. I'll do it later. It's not the time nor the place. Fuck it. What's good, Ian, bro? Yeah, it's a lot more cozy, right? I fuck with it. Made them all myself, too, those ones. Pretty crazy. Took me probably 8 hours yesterday. Cause I did the YouTube banner as well, and I did the profile pic. I don't know why I can't change it though. Right now, it makes no sense. What if I was to just go like this? Would that work? Account settings, update, upload. Oh. Why? What if I... What if I go like this? Save. That doesn't work, nothing's gonna work, so I'm gonna try that and then that's it. GG. Alright. I might be able to just like... Something went wrong? Of course something went wrong, dumbass. Damn. Alright, whatever. What about the banner? Can I put the right banner? Which is... I could put this as the banner, I guess. And then use this as the picture. Yeah, fuck it, we're gonna go like this. I think that looks still fine. Looks better than what I have. Alright. Sorry about that. Now we're here. Market opens in 5 minutes. We have news in 35 minutes. Let's see what we could do. Thanks, Ian, bro. Yeah, yeah. The last one I filmed yesterday is really getting like advanced, dude. Like it's no joke. So yeah. Does it even have views yet? Has 3 views. The unicorn one was the power of three one. All those videos are really, really, really important. Really important. Alright, so here, ideally, market opens. We go take this slow here. Do we need to retrace all the way to here? Probably not. But it would be kind of cool if it did. Especially like here. Get us like a bigger trade. Because this is. Market only moved 100 points. So I'm a little skeptical. So what's going on here? This could rip like this. This could go down like this. You know. I mean, I am gonna take a long because of all this here. You know. But yeah, we'll see.
I'll be by your side till we drop. You really made your way out of mud. Look at everything that we got. I knew what you could do from the jump. Life ain't been easy, but you made it work. Fuck everybody who made you feel hurt. I'll be at peace when you know what you worth. Trying to give you everything, I'll give you the world. Shorty always keep her head up, even when the going gets rough. Know it gets better,
Mm.
but I know it comes that don't nobody understand us.
Mm-hmm.
But if we stay together, that's enough. Got a bread up, and I know that we'll make it to the top. You had all odds against you, but still
So
came out a winner. I'ma love and protect you, no matter what you're feeling. That's what
I
gives
do
me.
want it to take the low though, especially that we have triple, quadruple lows here.
I'll be by your side till we drop.
Like this shit crazy, bro. Maybe he wants to go take the high a little more.
Everything that we got. I knew what you could do from the jump. Life ain't been easy, but you made it work. Fuck everybody who made you feel hurt.
I mean, there's no way that.
At peace when you know what you worth. Trying to give you everything, I'll give you the world. No, it's been a ride. We've been up and we've been down.
Whatever. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Market opens in 2 minutes. Hopefully, we get some decent things.
I'll be by your side till we drop. You really made your way out of mud. Look at everything that we got. I knew what you could do from the jump. Life ain't been easy, but you made it work. Fuck everybody who made you feel hurt. I'll be at peace when you know what you worth. Trying to give you everything, I'll give
Alright,
you the world.
1 minute to market open. Let's lock in. Lock in, guys. No time for games anymore. And using 30. On the daily, we just took this high. This daily high, which is this one. Daily SMT here. We're in OTE of this range. Maybe it is the start of the bearish, but I would not take a short either way. Because it might be going for the high. 4 hour. Market open now. Okay. Not much going on the hourly chart. Yeah, retrace to here. That'd be pretty good. I don't know if it's worth for me to short till here considering we're in OT instead of the high time frame, but we'll see what we get, I guess. Dropped onto the 5 now. Try to see what's going on. We've been going sideways for the past, well, pretty much for the whole daily candle. This whole daily is trying to flip back. I see. Alright. Can I actually send that shit to the side? Loading. Oh, I can. Okay. How far is 10? I don't really use that, to be honest. Get that shit out of here. Oh, wicked right here. Yes, took the low. I do want to take the low. It doesn't really have to take this, but I do want to take the low. And then we have this 15 here, or this 5 here. But I do want to take the low, and if it wants to go even deeper than that, I'd like that. I would like that. OT is crazy, bro. Look, if I had come into the market, New York high to New York low, back to OTE, straight to the low. OT is dangerous. So we didn't take the low here, though. I am not a big fan of that. They create the SMT, but I do want C and Q take the low. It's okay though, I could take its time. I'd rather be in a trade around like 950. In a long. Targeting, honestly, I'd probably target this. Maybe I can't even keep some for higher, so. Probably my target for the day. Because of the way the high time frame is. So having a small trade is actually not the worst. Alright, let's go. Dude, my subs on YouTube are going up, and that's a pretty good feeling. I'm gonna be honest. It's a good feeling knowing that people are subbing and they like the videos. Makes me want to do more, you know? That makes sense. And it's only gonna be more and more uh advanced videos until I have nothing else to talk about. No. Oh my god. Thank god that worked. I thought I just deleted all my OBS things. Oh my god, my heart just stopped. The market's ripping. Jesus Christ. I'm a little sad that market's going back up. I mean, I don't mind you guys going back up. I want NQ to goddamn take this. By the way. That's it. Small ass trade. No, I just take the low. Just be good to me for once in your goddamn life. We're Thursday pre-NFP news. I just realized. Yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna make a lot of it's gonna build a lot of liquidity for NFP tomorrow. You have to be careful of that. You have to be careful for that. It's not even a sweep, bro. This is like a poke. Sweep is like it needs to go like here. There's equal highs here. Bunch of equal highs here. Even this is not a sweep. I'm sorry. This does not count. It's fake. Fake news here. Zoom in on that thing actually. See. Okay. Yeah, sure. I'll count that as a sweep. Okay, we're going back. We're going back. We're going back. But it's good what it's doing. I want the 15-minute to sweep. I don't want it to close bearish. I want it to sweep. Sweep NQ off its feet. Take it to the prom. Flowers. You know? Come on, market. Good close. Now, sure. Say it lower. Yup. Yup. Take it. Take it more. Take all of it. That doesn't count, bro. Actually, that actually doesn't count. By the way, I don't take trades off this. It's not a sweep. These are equal lows now. Okay, I don't care. And it went lower. This is an equal low. This does not stop anyone out. Do anything. And if it does rip to the highs, I mean, I guess I still have my CISD slash. I just closed my. Dude, what is happening right now? Okay. My CISD and everything would be right here. Quite high, to be honest. Oh, good. We get CISD, maybe we get a slight pullback. Okay, my CISD would be like here, but this is like a pretty trash CISD. So, on this one here. Okay, there we go. It's going. I'll have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close, make sure it respects it.
Go! Get the door! Go!
That's a sweep. Now we've swept. Now this is good. Did he create an SMT on the one as well? Like a slight one? A little one, right? Go higher. Very slight SMT. Probably broken realistic. Still gonna put it. Very, very steep. I don't like SMTs that are that steep, if that makes sense. I like an SMT that's like this, or like this. Not like this, if that makes sense. Bro, can you explain what's the difference between CISD and market structure shift? It does, bro, it's almost the exact same thing. It's just a market structure shift is when you have your structure and then get displacement and confirmation that it's displaced through. So your market structure shift is here, right? Because you were doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then you made the last higher high, and then you made a lower low. That's your market structure shift. Your CISD is pretty much the same thing, but zoomed in to hell to me. So it's hard to show it on lines. I'm sure in the chart. So if you look at this, CISD happens after taking liquidity points. Okay, but let's assume market structure shift is the same thing. So get your sweep here, dip down. The real market structure shift is here, right? Because you have your low here, and you get your market structure shift here. Okay, your CISD is here because you were chopping, and then you had your last one black candle. I have the video coming out CISD soon as well, Ian. And then you get your last push up, which is supposedly the manipulation. Okay, it's supposed to be the leg that sweeps is supposed to be the manipulation, and then you get fat displacement through, and the second it closes through your the last black candle if you're bullish or white candle if you're bearish, so the last candle that goes in the opposite direction, you get your change in the state. So yeah, I don't know if that answered your question. It's a little confusing, I know. I have the video coming out soon on it. It's in the next, I think it's the next one or the second next one that I'm doing. Well, yeah, it is a little confusing. Difference between the two. It's pretty much just like a CISD is like a market structure shift, but like a little faster usually. Like here, if I wanted a real market structure shift, or the market structure is actually pretty right, and the CISD is at the same place. But the CISD, if I was really like, let's say this candle hadn't touched this, the fair value gap or the low, the change in the state would have been here. But now because this is the candle that came in FVG, the last leg of supposed manipulation starts where? Here. Right? If that makes any sense at all. Where's my position? Yeah. Okay, bro. So closer above here into a slight retrace would be kind of cool into like this FPG here. Maybe. Still, it's still early though for an entry. Did that make any sense to you, Ian? What I explained? If not, I can try to explain it again, but better. Yeah, okay. I have the video coming out. Look, I'll tell you right now. The video comes out. I just did the time-based and fractality. It's the next video. It's the one that's coming out. CISD, and then after that I'm making CRT. Really fire videos coming out. Like really, really fire. I mean, technically my entry would be right here. But the risk is so bad, bro. Like, I don't want to go anywhere that could retrace back. I'm gonna stay right here. See if that works. See if it wants to pull back. Probably won't. Probably go straight. FVG here. If it closes FVG, I might look for it. The SMT video is after CRT. So it's CISD, CRT, SMT, and then after that I'm doing how to handle news, and after I'm doing how to pass prop from evals, and then after that I'm doing like a psychology one where I pretty much say that it's all the same. You have to make it your own. Then after that, it's how to make a trading plan that makes profitable traders. And then after that, if I can find anything else, but so far that's what I have. I took the patience video out because I pretty much preach it in everything I do. So, screw it. No. Alright. So if this is our new high, and we want to retrace, this would be ideal, bro. I'm putting a limit. Actually, I don't like limits. Ooh. 1, 2. Alright. In this FVG here. Full highs here. Me too, bro. And if I keep my one a day, that means by Sunday. 'Cause I usually don't put a video up Saturday. I think. By Sunday, should have. Oh yeah. Sorry. Should have all the important videos out. And the next week is the. It's also important videos next week, but it's the well, the prop firm and shit. And once I have no more videos, bro, I don't know what I'm gonna post on YouTube. Maybe I'll make like a master class or something to like. I don't even know. Big SMT. Yes, one's higher. You as well. This is manipulation, I think. I tend to enter like this. Just watched it print. It looked. It looked like manipulation. Here, let's see how he reacts. Let's see how this reacts here. Versus, I'm in. Screw it. I'm in, but I'm gonna go half size in. Verse it. Just inverse it. There. Oh. Higher. 5. Alright. Inverse this and I'm in. Inverse this shit and I think I'm in the longs here. Depends on what structure looks like, but I mean, look, if it wants to go back down, this is what I originally wanted to get in here. Even better, did we get a 5-minute FPG so far? Oh, gotta close our opportunity for it. Perfect. Motherfucker. Yeah. Full highs here. Back to OTE. Hit this. Once it taps this, we're going to go to 15 seconds. Try to get an inversion. And if that. I thought about that name, but right now my life is until I go back to Costa Rica, my life is strictly work. I could show, but it's nothing glamorous. No. Once I'm in Costa Rica, I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm definitely gonna do it. Right now, I'm just in my crib back home with my girlfriend. We'll go back to the crib in Costa Rica. We'll be chilling. Then we'll be vibing. Yeah. I kind of need to redo my thumbnail, I think, for the YouTube lives. I think it's bringing a lot of people in. I don't like that it's going like that much lower. But I definitely think that we're going to higher. Like, there's no way. Like, this is just generated buy side for sure. Let's see how it reacts after this 1 minute. I might make one though, because my life right now is pretty much I wake up, I trade, and then I go gym, and then I do some work on my computer, and then yesterday I went out for sushi, and then I did an escape game, and yeah, sometimes I repair something here just cause fuck it, I'm bored. It's really pushing for that low. Really pushing for that low. Just so we're clear, I'm not in the trade yet. I'm not in the trade yet. I'm waiting. I am waiting for any sign of bullish confirmation, which we do not have right now. We had it here, but here, this is very important, guys, so listen up. When you have a bearish counter trend retracement like this, okay, and you're waiting to catch the bullish move, the first move that it does is more often than not just fake, and your win rate is going to go up. Well, my win rate has gone up once I stopped entering on the first leg, because you think this is bullish here, but this is just like setting up. The market still needs more structure. This is not bullish. If this gets all broken through, now we're bullish. This was accumulating. This is nonsense. Went down, came back up to the nonsense. Now we're talking. Now we're gonna sweep the low. Probably gonna break this SMT. Maybe. This is where this here. This makes no sense. This low here is swept. This one here is swept. Okay, get the SMT out of here. And you know what? If we're bearish today, not bullish, well then, oh, that's news. Oh, come on, bro. You're not gonna do me like that. This is not good anymore. So news sends us higher. Is news actually bearish or bullish? Again, guys, the first leg is usually fake. Your win rate is gonna go up by not taking trades off of it. You might win trades taking by it, but you're also gonna lose trades. It came out bearish news. So why are we going up? Who knows? Because the market is rigged. That's why. So I don't like that it can't really make it through this. It did close all the FEGs here, yeah, because the candle moderate effort. Maybe we are bearish for a bit more. So again, guys, the first leg off of it is usually fake. Usually not the real one. It's just setting a market structure for the next leg. You're gonna tell me this fucking bounce back as soon as it tapped TQ, right? I'm bullish for today, but we're not looking very bullish right now. I'm gonna be completely honest. If it stays like this, I might get an early gym today. About you. Oh, this guy's here, dude. Should I break the rules, guys? Should I say that the CISD is actually if we close above here? See, closing above here is a market structure shift now, Ian. Are you here? Let me go back and check. Closing above here is a market structure shift. Closing above here is the CISD. CISD works with through time frame alignment and shit. So I'm gonna explain to you guys every single time frame and how they correlate to each other in the video, but this here is the CISD. This here is a market structure shift. So market structure shift works on like every time frame pretty much. So like I could say on the 5-minute, breaking above here is my market structure shift. Okay, so this is market structure shift. On the 30-second though, my market structure shift is right here, same place as the CISD that I have. Okay, but CISD works through time frame alignment, so it's not, you can't just put a CISD on the chart. Okay, you have to have your, so if it's a 15-minute fair value gap, it's the CISD is going to be on the 1 minute. If it's on the 5-minute fair value gap, the CISD is going to be on the 15 seconds. If it's on an hourly fair value gap, the CISD is going to be on the 5-minute. You understand? It's not, you can't just put a CISD randomly. Oh, this is bullish. I'm gonna make the video today. It's gonna be up probably late tonight. These close both 1 minutes. I'd be willing to inverse this 5-minute here. Issue with this is that it's not good. See, the issue is that we're not super bullish yet, but we are, you know, like we're showing signs of bullishness, but we're not confirmed. The issue with this fucking, what is it, 100-point range market is that once we show that we're bullish, it's over. Like the move's already done. It's gonna be no trade today, probably. Yeah, then that's okay too. It's just I haven't like taken an actual trade in a minute. I think it's a week, maybe even 2 weeks. I haven't taken like a real trade because these markets have been not giving me what I want. There's some days, there's like 2 or 3 days that I missed the trade though, but it's fine. I don't really care. Markets, my account's still up 200%. My challenge account, so it's still good. Nothing to complain about. There's like all these equal highs here is generated by a side that I do want to go take. Problem is that this 1 minute here is so annoying. This CISD is so high. Alright, let me see how this reacts off like EQ. That's how I want it to enter here. With like a crazy risk to reward. And then maybe we can get like a 15-second like. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, this one closed like that. I could tell. Not ideal here. Alright, this red line's kind of starting to piss me off. What is this red line? It's sell side. You're good. Okay, OTE pulls back. There's an inverse here on the 15. Inverse it, I'm in. Pulls that. Screw it. I'm done playing now. But I will enter half size because it's sketch. Close. All right. So the reason why I entered half size here is because the range again is so small. It wouldn't take much for it to go take the low, and yeah, but I am banking on the fact that this 10 o'clock opened lower, and now I want it to go take. I thought it took the low already, but I guess not because it created this 959 in the low. Damn it. Oh well. We'll see. I mean, I like these wicks. I like if I was respecting this 15-second. If this 15-second close, I'm probably gonna close manually, to be honest. Because I don't think this is what's gonna hold it back, or this. Closed. Oh. What is happening right now? Macro's over. Alright. I don't mind taking a loss, to be honest. I haven't taken a loss in a while, but if this is a loss, I'm gonna be very surprised. This action doesn't look too bad. It's because we're the day prior to an FP. This thing's it's just staying there. I'm kind of tempted to just go on with my day, to be honest, and not deal with this. I shouldn't have taken a trade the day prior to NFP. I usually don't. I only did it because it looked so like it looked like it wanted to go. At least a year. But these markets have been really, really weird. I'm very surprised at this right now. Yeah, you know what? If I could get a move, I'm gonna get out. Cause screw it. The reason why I do this here is because I'm not trying to be in this trade, and sometimes you get spikes up and it goes back down. I could cut the trade right now, but I don't think the trade is invalidated. I just don't want to be a part of it, to be honest. Because I don't like the way the market moves. I don't like anything right now, to be honest. I don't like the fact that we're pre-NFP. I don't even care if it goes. Wait, this move is actually good. Moving this up. Stop here. Hold on. Stop B. Fuck it. I told you guys I'm not risking anything. Okay. Okay. And if it goes back, I don't even care. Dude, with the momentum that it had, it has to go. Just go. Just send it. I'm told you I'm not trying to be in this trade right now. I don't care that we're profiting right now, bro. I don't want to be in it. Just get me out of it. Please. If it could get me out of it here, it'd be better. Like, bro, look at this fucking market, dude. It's gonna go and stop me at break even. I can tell. I can smell it. And it's just doing these fucking things here. I'm actually looking at this and I'm pissed. The way it's moving. If the action is not good, don't take a trade, guys. Might as well shoot for the stars, right? I might as well shoot for the stars. I'm gonna let this go. I'm not touching this anymore. If I could partial, I would here. But I can't. So GG. With me. With me. So with this trade, I would be at step 12 of 30 for the 50 mil or 50K. There's no way it doesn't think that leaves this high, right? I'll see how it reacts to this high. If it takes this high and it displaces through. Oh, ooh, that's not what I want. And it displaces through. I'll stay in. If it looks like it's gonna sweep it, I'll exit. Yeah, but that's the thing. Like back then I would have done that too. But you don't want to like shorten your profit and leave your losses in. If you do that, you also have to cut your profits. You have to also just cut your losses small. If you're not sure, right? So I wasn't moving my stop loss. So technically, the only realistic thing I could do is at least get. Oh wait, is let my profits run. I'm gonna put the stop here. That's the displacement right there. Show me a 1 minute that explodes up. Show me a 1 minute that explodes up. I'll send feet pics for it. What? Kidding, obviously. That's fine. Now go. Any sort of FUGs there? The 5 minute. That 5 minutes is gonna be a piece of shit. We need to fight to stay above that 5 minute. I'm gonna mark it out. Alright. Stay above that donkey. Stay above that, you donkey. You want it bad. Yeah, you gotta preserve your capital. Here's the thing, the trade idea was good. Everything about it's good. Okay, it's just that we're the day prior to NFP. There's no real S&T, and market's choppy today with low range. So it's not like it's probably like a B plus trade at best. And usually when I take B plus trades, I de-risk. And what did I do today? I de-risked, but I still didn't even want a part of it. That's how you know that I probably should have gotten out. All right, come on, close right there. Close. No, dude, close FEG. This candle right here has to close above this FEG here. GG. I'm getting stopped, so that means she wanted a bag. I want to pull up with a bag. It did take this high at least. Get the max off. I wouldn't be surprised if it came back to here. I wouldn't be surprised if it came back to my entry, to be honest. Here's that enter on the candle that dipped down. Oh, this is a good move. Bro, this thing's actually playing with me. Go here. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of this shit. Does this go back to OTE? Oh, that'd be sick if it did. It does. Oh, we're wicking EQ right now. I just realized. Off the Ranger. That's fine. Whatever. Leave it like that. Either 10 or $46 on the account, which is good. Really good. Even a $10 stop out here is 10% of the base account, right? The account that I started at. So, not bad. Alright. It is fucking wicked this though. You know what? I'm gonna trail this shit. I'm gonna put the stop on its ass. There we go. Send it. I'm putting pressure on the trade right now. That's what I'm doing. What you do is you put your stop really close to it so that it gets scared of it and it wants to move away from it. And you could blow too. You go. I woke my cat up. Oops. I'm sorry, baby. Oh shit! Stop blowing. Sorry, okay, I'm gonna stop blowing. I swear. But you have to blow. You have to do something for me. You can't just be there and be cute. Yes, took this. Put the lucky cam on the cat. Holy shit, the lucky cat. There's no way. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great, baby. You're doing great. You can't even see it. You're doing great. You're doing really great. Send it to the TP. Just send it to TP. I know you can. I know you're able. I know you want to. I know you want to. Come on, just send it straight to TP. Send it. The W cat for real. W cat for real, for real. I'm gonna put this here like this, and I'm gonna wait to see how it reacts off of this, because I'm not taking the opportunity. Like, I'm not ruling out the fact that it could go up there. Respects to 15 seconds, right here. Oh, cat wanted more. Yeah, you could go. Of course. There we go. Good kitty. Yeah, come on. Now send the trade higher. I know you can, and I know you want to. It cannot be this close to those equal highs and not take it. I do not believe it. You're the best. You guys here? No? Wait. Hold on, let me there we go. This is what she does. Yes, it's going to take the high, and Q won't. But NQ is the one with the S&D. So, well, you put hair everywhere you go, though. That's crazy, dude. You okay? Take these lows, go straight to this. I'm gonna put a line just to make sure I can tell when it hits. Now she got her own advance. Come on, bro. Don't stop edging me. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how it takes the high here. If it goes, if it sweeps or if it. All right. Oh, let's go. This is exactly what I wanted to see. SMT created. Stop at the high. Fuck it. I guess stopped out here. There we go. Stopped out. GG. Decent trade. It's probably gonna go, but you know, better safe than sorry. I did not want to be in the trade and ended up playing out. So yeah, I mean, I guess to cat and moving the stop to make the train move. W strut. It's gonna go. I know it's gonna go, but it's fine. It's all good. And O's. Let me mow. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Oh, yeah, you have to stay calm and composed, you know? I've been saying that I don't think the what's it called? I've been saying that I don't think the day was ideal, but the trade looked good. No, the account's at 340. 340. $10 off or $18 off. Next level, kind of annoying. Whatever. So 340 and 340. And here oh, Jesus Christ. There we go. And yeah, there's the SMT at the top, so exited the trade, but it's probably gonna go. Oh yeah, screw it. All right, guys. I think that'll be it for today. Oh, maybe I did the right thing. Well, no, who knows? I'll see. Usually I do this, by the way. When I exit a trade at night, I go check like, okay, what would have happened if, what would have happened if, what, and I think that's a good habit to have, right? Like like here tonight when I get back home, I'm gonna look, I'm gonna say, oh shit, the trade would have worked out, you know, and then I journal that, or I say, oh damn, the trade actually got stopped out, and then I usually don't journal that because whatever. Let me put it in. Oh, the 1st of May too. Hell yeah. Trade entry was a buy. Win. Session is NY. Comments. B trade. Am I right? No, comments was almost stopped out, comma, half sized, P&L. We're looking at 45.40. 45.40, which is not good, or it's not good, but it's not like ideal, but it's still fine. The RR is a 1 to I think it was 1.7 at the start. Pair US 100. Wait, my RR has been correct like this since beginning. I guess. All right. Size. What was the size? I think it was just one con, right? Straight up one. 0.6. 0.6. Reason for entering. Okay, I'm gonna go over this after too, but pretty much it was following trend, AMD, SND, liquidity taken, displacement, FVG, not macro time. Oh, actually, yeah, it was macro time, 10 a.m. reversal, CISD, OTE, all of it. Trade time entry was 10:09. Gray letter is B plus, like I said. The reason is pre-NFP day. Bad action all morning. Slow and low. And only 100 points range. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the journal. So yeah, now I guess I'm gonna call it, and I'm gonna edit some stuff. And yeah, but first I'm gonna do the little trade recap. I have to go fast though, because I'm gonna post it on TikTok. I have to go really, really fast here. So, you guys ready? I'm not. I don't know if I took anything out too. Alright, so a little trade recap. We were the 1st of May. Coming to the market, I saw that we had potential S&D day, which means that we could take London low and high in the same day. We had a bunch of stacked equal lows here at the London low, and we are bullish on the day, right? So once market does this little accumulation, manipulation at the lows, I knew that it was time to go take the highs. Once that happened, I marked out the FEG. I marked out my OTEQ for the retracement after the first leg, as you never enter on the first leg, and then entered here off the tap of EQ here and respected, and then we had a little bit of drawdown and it ripped straight up. Oh, sorry, and took the trade out here because ES took the high. So yeah, The S&T, I took the trade out, little 1 to 2, and yeah, GG's. All right. On that note, guys, have a good night, or have a good rest of your day, and peace. I'm done. Okay. No? Ben, Zachary, c'est sûr que pas toi qui l'as vu, là. Hein? Ouais, je vais voir. Não fica sei, velho. What the fuck?
Ben, est-ce que je peux montrer quelque chose? Mais non, pas dans la merde, là.
Le tabarnak pète pas.
Peut-être pas en même temps.
Ah,